So here we are with the Cobra 29 LX UK, is it, or EU, or whatever it is. Well, we've done these before. We bought a sample one. They're expensive radios at the time. They're now 10 years old. And then we had a customer who was a lady breaker, and both the sample and the lady breakers didn't have very good receive at all, especially the lady breakers. Now this one has been very, very kindly sent to me gratis from one of the viewers, Mark, and he's not the first thing he's kindly sent us. But now we've got the service manual. Not that makes a difference to the outcome. That's the realistic service manual. Now we've got the service manual. At least we can see some of the things about it. So this one's now doing 0.49 microvolts for 12 decibel cyanide, which is more on a par with what the service manual says it should do. And it's the first time I've seen one actually receive as per the manual. It's really weird on transmit. It starts off at 4.3 watts. There's no need for me to change that down because the radio goes down to 3.5 watts within 10 seconds. So you've got some kind of thermal issues because of poor design, and the whole thing is poor internal design. You know, it's yeah, things like the built-in SPR meter automatically goes to channel 20 CPT. Well, I'm not using CPT. Why would I want to SWR CPT band in the middle of it when if you're wanting to use 80 channels, you'd be wanting to SWR on channel 1 of UK or 40 of CPT to be in the middle of 80 channels, because I want to be in the middle of the UK 40. So you'd be back to a normal SWR meter. So things like that are lousy. So this works the best we've ever seen one. Mr Chippie should be out there. It's concentric squelch. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, decopy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, I'm all ready.
Right, which comes to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. And this is another set which doesn't have a power meter. Although it swings across, it means absolutely nothing. It doesn't register power whatsoever. If I took the output transistors out, it would still swing across. It's just a psychological nothing.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right.
So we're using a standard replacement mic, like we do on most of the sets. The factory mic has some daft looking thing which looks like a Cobra, and has a little wheel on the top to attenuate the signal. Not to boost it, to attenuate it. You've already got mic gain, or whatever they call it. I'm sure you have. Yeah, dynamic. Again, that's just mic gain. So it just reduces it. So I just don't get some of these kind of things. It's like reminiscent of AM days in America.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right. Right, we're now going over the top of the hill. Go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Cobra 29 LX EU, and the radio will be doing about 3.6 watts over.
Yeah, that's not on low power or anything, is it?
Negative, it's whatever it's doing over.
No, I can't make out what you're saying, it's really noisy.
Roger on that, it's doing 3.6 watts. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, do you copy me now?
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Yep, nothing heard.
Oh dear.
now passing the Selby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
There we go. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rorsby level crossing. That concludes the test. Thank you. There we go. So, once we got to Scratchy Corner, he could no longer hear me, yet the radio's doing 3.5 watts. We looked at it on the spectrum analyzer, and it was a clean signal. What's that about? Anyway, we'll go through to our base station, and we'll see what it sounds like. So once again, an atrocious performer.